So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Osho's and Tarot card reading for you guys from the week of 19th till the 25th of August. You can take it as messages or guidance or like answers to your spiritual questions. Okay, take it how it resonates with you. And if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's start. Okay, let's see Sergi's first message. 19th. Nothingness. You can see it as thingness or nothingness. It's like Sagittarius, today universe is going to provide you a clean slate to start something from scratch. Like it's a clean board for you, like you are a baby and you have to start from A, B, C, D. Whatever you are going to write on this board, that's completely up to you. But the universe is definitely providing you some kind of clean slate. You might be feeling like nothing is happening, nothing is changing, nothing is shifting, but you can shift and you can change this energy by writing something that you want to write on it. Okay, so it's like creating your own destiny, creating your own reality, but the clean slate is in front of you. Now you decide what you have to do about it. 20th of August, we have the conditioning. Okay, you have to get out of some kind of limiting belief. You have to get out of some kind of situation that is hindering your progress in a very, what should I say, in a very wrong way, in a very deceptive way. It's like you think you are something, but you are not that. So for example, this lion in this particular card feels like he's the sheep, but he's not. He's the lion, but because of his conditioning, he's feeling like chained down to the situation. There's a very interesting story about this. I'll let you know maybe after some time, after a few days. But you have to get out of some kind of limiting belief. You have to break the chains, you have to break the conditioning, and you have to break free and start understanding who you truly are and what you truly want to achieve in this lifetime. Okay, on the 21st, we have the harmony. On the 21st of August, finally, you're going to find yourself in a comfortable position where you are going to be in harmony with yourself. Whatever is happening outside of you is going to connect with the energy of whatever is happening inside of you. So basically, you are going to find yourself in a harmonious connection between you and the universe, or you should, because you might be trying to go against certain people, situations, or conditions, or trying to change or control something, and you're going to be failing tremendously, miserably. Okay, then you're going to realize, okay, the universe wants you to be in harmony with whatever is going on inside of you, so that outside of you is going to be balanced naturally. Okay, 22nd of August, we have the courage. Sagittarius, finally you are going to finally you are going to get some kind of rewards, or finally you are going to get some kind of gift or some kind of mm, it's like courage after a lot of obstacles and challenges, and after a lot of going through a lot in some area of your life. Finally you are going to get the results, get very positive, very beautiful results. It's like seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and finally you are going to be like, okay, I had to suffer a lot, I had to go through a lot, but finally the result is here, and it's so beautiful. You are going to be amazed, you are going to be amazed, you are going to feel like this is something that I really wanted to have. And after a lot of struggle and obstacles, finally you got it, finally you are going to get it. Very good, very good, I'm so happy for you. 19, 20, 21, 22. Now, on the 23rd of August, we have the compromise. So, on the 23rd of August, you need to find a middle ground with somebody or something. Might be an organization, might be your spouse, might be a person that you are close to. So, there might be some kind of, not so good energies between you and a particular person or situation that you're dealing with. Instead of trying to fix it like with force or with anger or frustration, try to find a middle ground in the situation, so that you can save the connection and save the situation as well. At the same time, you will be able to find the solution as well. Okay, so do it like that. 19, 20, 21, 22 to 23. Now on the 24th, we have the control. Don't try to do that. It's the worst thing that a human can do with themselves, like trying to control other people, trying to control the situation, trying to control how other people should act or how the universe should act. Or it's like Try not to control anything or anyone, because you're going to fail miserably, and then you're going to feel like, what the hell is happening? The universe is against me. The whole um, universe is planning against me, or something like that. It's not like that. Just release the control, let it flow, go with the flow, let things happen for like what they want to become, and then you will be able to see things for what they are, and then you will be able to be at peace. Control is not going to help you. 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, last card, 25th of August, the Full Sea. You have to take the leap of faith with the universe. You have to understand that you can't control people, things, situation in any way, shape, or form, no matter what. No matter on human level how much we feel like we can change people, we can change things, we can control this, we can control that. We can't. All we can do is, on a human level, whatever we can do on a from a human level, just do that. Okay, it's fine, it's completely fine, but don't try to change or control. Just be like a fool, just be naive, just be like a kid, innocent like a kid, naive like a kid. Okay, and let it go. Okay, trust the process, trust the universe, be innocent, be in this energy of being like a kid, and whatever is meant to happen, whatever is supposed to happen, will happen eventually, will come to you eventually. But so you can't force people, situations, or things to come to you, or you can't destiny to go in a certain way. Life always have its mysterious ways to uh, show people like what they should understand. But anyway, try not to control, try not to use your mind too much. Follow your heart, follow your lead, follow your intuition, and you're good to go. Okay, for this week. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.